Before we go further, let me continue showing you more ways to work with polylines by exploding them into simpler forms of life, namely lines, arcs, and circles, editing those simpler forms of life, and then welding or joining them all back together with the pedit command's join option. Let's explode the polylines again. We'll click on explode icon, select everything with a crossing regular into all your selection sets. Hit enter. Now everything's back to regular polylines. Hit enter. You can see even the exteriors down in the regular polylines. Say we want to put a round bay window. Well, let's launch the circle command. Snap to the center of a line and say there's our circular bay window. Let's launch the offset to get inner and outer walls on it. Offset is already set for 0.5. You can change it by simply typing another value. We'll accept the 0.5, so hit enter or spacebar, select the circle, then select which way you want to make the offset copy. I'll go inward for the inner wall. Next, we want to trim away everything that doesn't look like an inner and outer wall for this new floor plan, so I'll terminate the offset command. Remember, it keeps going on and on, like copy and line. Hit spacebar or enter to terminate the offset command. Launch the trim command or type TR. Hit enter or spacebar so that all is a cutting edge. Now you can go in here and trim individually what doesn't look like a interior or exterior wall. Don't forget you can use the fence option. You can also use implied windowing for crossing windows. There's our bay view window. Let's weld it all into a polyline again. That's done with the pedit command or edit polyline icon. Again, looks like a sideways J with a pencil and modified drop down of home tab. Specify any arc or any line. AutoCAD comes back with, hey, that's not a polyline, you want to turn it into one? Yes. Now invoke the join option. J, enter, select from the cursor menu with dynamic input on, right click, select join, select everything, and everything that is joinable to what we just converted will be welded or joined into a polyline. I'm finished selecting, hit enter. Well, it doesn't look any different. Well, I'll fatten it up slightly with the W option while I'm in with the pedit command. Specify the new width. I'll say 3, enter. Yo, yeah, that swelled up a bit. U, enter to undo. Hit escape to get out of the polyline edit process. Now check it out. It's one object. I welded into one object. Hit escape to deselect. I can check the area of this one object with the list command or LI enter. The list command is on the drop down of the properties palette. Easy to type LI enter once you learn it. Click the list icon or invoke it however you want. Select the polyline we just converted and welded or joined into. Hit enter when you're finished selecting objects you want to get the list of information on. Sometimes you need to change the size of the text box. This area is now about 1,442 square feet. We also get a bonus of just under 180 feet perimeter. Those numbers will help us estimate the carpeting and crown molding costs to floor this entire area, or ceiling it, suspended ceiling it, whatever. I'm almost out of time. Again, explode, modify with regular lines, arcs, circles, trim away, fill it, pedit join to weld it back into a closed polyline. See you next video.